Subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials and press the bell icon for notifications.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Emmanuel Tutorials. Today we'll be seeing a doubt which was asked by one of the students in the comment section. So even if you have any doubts or concepts on which you would like videos to be made, you could mention them in the comment section in any of our videos. Let's start. The question is from Signals and Systems. Sketching the signal 2t minus 6 multiplied by u of t minus 3 minus u of t minus 4. So either you can try to find out the first part and then the second part and then multiply both the signals, or the second and then the first and then multiply both the signals. But we have chosen the second part because that will be easier. So u of t minus 3, for that first you'll consider the unit step signal, because u of t is the unit step signal which starts from 0 and ends at infinity and which has a constant value of 1. Now u of t minus 3 will be nothing but just the shifted version or the delayed version by 3. So you just shift the unit step by 3 to the right hand side. So this is the resultant signal u of t minus 3. Similarly, u of t minus 4 will be the unit step signal shifted by 4 units to the right. Now we have to find out u of t minus 3 minus u of t minus 4, which is the subtraction of the signal from the first signal. Now if you see, at 0, 1 and 2 points, the signals are 0 at all the points, so 0 minus 0 is going to give us 0. At 3, the first signal's value is 1 and the second signal's value is 0. So 1 minus 0 is going to give us 1. So that's what I've drawn over here. Similarly, at 4, the first signal's value is 1 and the second signal's value is 1 as well. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So what you have to do is, in the midpoint of 3 and 4 also, if you observe, here the value is 1, in the second signal the value is 0. So again in midpoint also you're going to have a step signal with value of 1. So at 4, that signal is going to come down and you're going to get a pulse kind of signal as the resultant of the subtraction of these two signals. Now let's go to the first part, that is 2t minus 6. Now t signal can also be said as the ramp signal, which is starting from 0 and ends at infinity, but t will start from minus infinity and end to plus infinity, because here is not mentioned the amount of time until which it is t. T means at a particular point in time the value or the amplitude is going to be the same as the time. So at 1 it will be 1, at 2 it will be 2. So you can easily find out what kind of signal it is. So it will be this kind of a signal which is at 45 degree to the t axis. Now 2t will be 2 times the signal. So at value of 1, the signal's amplitude will be 2 times 1. So it will be 2, and at 2 it will be 2 times of 2, so 4. Similarly, at 3 it will be 2 times of 3, which is 6, and so on, and this signal goes. So the slope will change for 2t. Now you have another signal 6, because 2t minus 6 is the resultant signal which you have to consider. So now 6 is this kind of a signal, which is a DC signal with value 6. Now you can easily find out that because you're just subtracting it by 6, it's just a DC shift by 6 to the downward side. So the resultant signal which you will get is this kind of a signal. How did we get it? Suppose you take the value at 1. At 1 the value is 2, and at 1 the value is 6 for this signal. So 2 minus 6 is minus 4. So at 1 the value of this signal will be minus 4. At 0, the first signal's value is 0, second signal's value is 6. So 0 minus 6 will be minus 6. So the value of the signal will be minus 6. Similarly, At 3, the first signal's value is 6, second signal's value is 6 again, so 6 minus 6 is 0. So this signal will reach 0 at t equal to 3. So this kind of a signal is what you will get, which will intersect at the t axis and amplitude axis at minus 6 and 3. Now what you have to do is multiply both these signals, this signal and the unit step signal which you got, the pulse signal which you got. Now this multiplication will be very easy because you can see that from 3 to 4 only the value of the signal is 1, rest all the points are 0. So you just have to give the resultant signal, which is the value of this 2t minus 6 signal from 3 to 4 years. So here you can see, so from 3 to 4 the value of at 3 is 0, at 4 is 2, at 3.5 it will be 1. So this triangular kind of a signal is what you will get. You can just observe this kind of a signal is what you will get. Rest all the points are 0, so even if you multiply it with any of the values here, all these values are going to be 0, and the remaining part of the signal which you will get is only this. So multiplying of these two signals will give you the resultant y of t as a triangular signal with maximum amplitude 2. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you understood the concept. If you have any doubts or you would like videos on any of the concepts to be made, please mention them in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials for more. Thank you.
Subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials and press the bell icon for notifications.